Hello techies, welcome to DubaiTechHub. Today we are going to see the video about the Etisalat Wi-Fi router device. I have bring you the Etisalat Wi-Fi device from one of my friend. So let's see what's there in the device now. Inside the box we will be getting one main unit, one power charger and one Ethernet cable. The device front on the top we have 5G logo, and in the bottom we have three status indicator light, and in the back side we have two LAN ports, LAN 1 and LAN 2, which is LAN 2 will act as a WAN port also and power socket also. On the front we will be having WPS button, status light, 4G indicator, 5G indicator and 5G logo. On the bottom we have SIM card slot and a reset button. So we'll be inserting the SIM card now. So this is Etisalat SIM card. We have received this along with the box. So we'll be inserting this in the device now. In this device we don't have a Type-C power adapter, so we need to use normal 12-volt adapter socket which came with the device. Let's connect the power adapter to the device and turn on the device now. Once you connected the power adapter, the device will automatically turns on. The status and 4G LED indicator will turn on in white color, and then the 4G indicator will turns off. So then the device will start looking for the signal. So once you acquire the signal, the status light and 4G 5G light will glow on in white color again once you get the 5G signal. If you get only 4G signal, the status light and 4G light will turn on. In my case, I have only 4G signal in this area. Please subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, please ask in the comment section. I will answer all your queries. See you in the next video. Bye techies.